A gaseous mixture contains CO2 and N2O in a 2:5 ratio by mass. The ratio of the number of molecules of CO2 and N2O is. Question में हमें gaseous mixture given है of CO2 and N2O. First, let us find the molar masses of both of them. Molar mass of CO2, it is equal to, कार्बन के लिए हो जाएगा 12 प्लस O2 के लिए 16 into 2, it is equal to 44 gram per mole. Now, molar mass of N2O, it is equal to, N2 के लिए हो जाएगा 14 into 2 and oxygen के लिए 16. This is also equal to 44 gram per mole. Now, question के अकॉर्डिंग CO2 और N2O के masses का रेशियो क्या है 2:5. So, let the mass of CO2 be 2m and that of N2O be 5m. Now we will find the number of moles which is equal to given mass upon molar mass. CO2 के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? Its mass is 2m और इसका molar mass क्या है 44. Similarly, N2O के लिए हो जाएगा 5m upon 44. Now, we have to find the ratio of the number of molecules. For that, we have to first find the number of molecules. Number of molecules. इसको हम कैसे find out करते हैं? It is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. So, for CO2, हम लिखेंगे 2m by 44 into Na. Similarly, N2O के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? 5m upon 44 into Na. Now, we will find the ratio of number of molecules. Ratio of number of molecules. ये हो जाएगा 2m upon 44 into Na. Similarly, अब हम इसका reciprocal लेंगे. That is 44 upon 5m into Na. Na gets cancelled. M also gets cancelled. 44 2 gets cancelled. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 upon 5. That means यहाँ से ratio क्या आ गया? 2:5. This is the answer. So option B will be the correct option.